Alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. This is Imam Izzuddin from Home of Taqwa. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Want to say Ramadan Mubarak to all of you, Ansar International, and every Muslim sisters and brothers donating for these poor orphans. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm taking you around to the construction. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, to see how it's going. Alhamdulillah. This is what we done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Work is still on construction. We just came and bought some building materials. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And we bought some blocks, and the blocks are on their way coming, so they are now waiting for the building materials to come. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. These are the rooms for the kids and some classrooms. Alhamdulillah, work is still on construction.
Easy. The brother is low.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. The pause for the coup.
Help us.
The pause bar. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm still taking you around to see what we are able to do. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. These are some workers working. You can see them, and these are some materials that we bought today, and we are still waiting for 1,000 blocks and some fillings to fill this side. We need some fillings to fill this side to that edge, and this to this edge. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So, taking you around to the building. This is what we are now. Alhamdulillah, we are at the lengthening. This is what we're able to do. This is the first room we completed at the lengthening level. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I'm taking you to the second room, to the other edge. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now working on the porch. We need much donation this time to complete this building, because now we have many workers working, because we don't have much building materials. So they all went back waiting for us to buy the materials to come and continue the work. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is the third room. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. You can see we still need some filling again. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Taking you around. This is the other room, all at the lengthening now. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Still taking you. Now I'm going to the toilet and bath. This is the toilet and bath. Still many works to do here. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So this is Home of Taqwa. We're able to cut all the grass from the land, and this work is still on construction. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I want to say Ansar International, every Muslim brothers and sisters from Germany donating to us. We need more help from you to continue this building for these poor orphans. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Jazakumullahu khairan. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now work is still on construction, and these are the materials left. Let me take you there. Alhamdulillah. These are the stones. Taking you closer to the stone. Zoom it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. You can see the stone there. We need more stone, and these are the sand too. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Taking you close. This is the fountain. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Everything is in place. Taking you to the single room to see the materials we have. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is the sand we bought the other day. With the money I rent from daddy, we bought this sand, and these are the materials we bought today. These woods and this quarter rod. Alhamdulillah. And these are the stones left. We need some stone, and this is the one binding wire we bought today. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now this in the single room, these are the stuffs we have, and this is the cement left. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is the generator. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.